Samantala, balikan na po natin ang pagdinig ng Senado kaugnay pa rin po sa kampanya ng Administrasyong Duterte kontra droga.
Fight against drugs, yung equipment, yung modern surveillance equipment. So, medyo kung sasabihin natin from 1 to 10, 1 to 10 yung ideal na sa tingin nyo, nasaan po tayo doon sa kagamitan natin in our war against the syndicates and drugs. Baka negative pa.
Nagagahiya yung Ronor, nagagahiya. Huwag na lang.
Magihay ka pala. Kaya pala meron kayong... So, talaga kailangan, GPNP. You really need the support. No? So, yun na lang siguro, at least, hindi namin si Senator Lacson siguro pagtulungan na namin sa budget season na madagdagan yung inyong equipment, aside from the aircraft, yung mga surveillance equipment. Last question, other than authority for wiretapping, what else do you need to have an effective campaign against drugs? So aside from the equipment, aside from surveillance equipment, ano po yung sa tingin nyo ang kinakailangan nyo pa para sa maging mas may epektibo yung inyong campaign against drugs?
Number one, Your Honor, is yung commitment ng local government units to support our campaign. Dahil without the barangay captains, the mayors, the governors, hindi po namin kaya yung gira na ito. So we hope that, I don't know how to encourage them because every one of them has their own agenda. Merong barangay captain na nag-question sa aming Oplantokhang, merong very cooperative, merong mayor na all out magsuporta, meron ding lukewarm. So I don't know how to change their attitude towards our campaign. Yan talaga ang the biggest challenge that we're facing right now aside from financial and logistical support. So sana LGUs will cooperate.
Well, thank you. Maraming salamat. Chief Petty, that's all, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Senator. Yes, sir, may Your Honor, may I add some of those that we need in this anti-illegal drug? Yes, sir, Your Honor. Last but not least, Senator Gordon.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm not going to tax your patience by asking you many questions. I'm just going to ask very basic questions to all. Number one, saan ho ba galing ang drugs natin? I know it's a simple question, but saan ho ba galing ang drugs natin? Saan ho ba ang supply ng drugs na gagaling? Kasi tinatanong natin lahat, tayo may kasalanan lahat. Yung prosecution, yung police, sinisisi natin. Saan ho ba galing ang drugs?
Your Honor,
yes, sir.
Your Honor, the number one source of drugs is China, imported.
And of course, we're talking to China, sir, aren't we?
Yes, Your Honor.
And yet they're still coming in.
Yes, Your Honor, through our seaports, as you know,
yes, I know. The seaports are very porous, our airports are very porous. In fact, yung ecstasy, yung mga drugs na, ano yan, green amore, nagagaling sa airport, nakakapasok, hindi ho ba?
Yes,
kung alam natin kung saan galing yung drugs, yung magshabu galing lahat sa China yan? General, galing ho ba? Parang...
So far, Your Honor, sa latest namin na operations, either China, Hong Kong, or Taiwan. But,
so dapat pala ang solution dito, condemn China for bringing drugs to the Philippines. Because we've done everything here already. I'm not sure whether creating another new government agency will solve the problem unless we start, closing the spigot from China.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, if we discover clan Shabu laboratories here in the Philippines, the technical people are coming from China.
Then we should shame China. We should shame China. They're not only taking our land, they're also bringing in drugs to our country. In other words, they're committing a serious security problem for our country. If flood lang tayo ng drugs, we'll all be drug crazed already. Is that possible, Your Honor?
Sir, if it is state-sponsored act, then maybe we can share the...
And they have a death penalty too, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the death penalty has not deterred them from exporting drugs and putting in drugs in their own country. So the problem, Your Honor, is enforcement. Bottom line, let's call a spade a spade. if drugs are coming from China, then the Foreign Affairs Department should lodge a strong protest, and the Philippine law enforcement agencies should say, the following drugs came from China, the following citizens of China have been involving themselves in drugs here in our country, and we protest, and we want the United Nations to help us quell this problem of drugs. Is that possible, Your Honor? Can you say that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm glad you do, because I know you're a good police officer. Na hindi ka natatakot, hindi na rin kayo natutulog, no? Gusto ko makatulog ka rin. Because the same problem also is, when we start talking about it, let's now go to the effects, because a solution dito is create another agency or change the agency. Parang gawin natin federal. Parang new society. How can I have a new society with the same old faces? Di ba? Ganon rin dito. So, ang solution ko, tatanong ko sa inyo, how extensive is the drug problem? How many of our young are affected? Sinasabi nila, 3 million people in this country are affected by drugs. Is that correct? Sir, is that correct? Dapat alam niyo yung
We
statistics.
have 3.7 million.
Filipinos are affected.
Yes.
That is
yes,
about
Your
3.7% of the population. Is that correct?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
And out of this, we have 1.8 million Shabu users, or 48.9.
And who are the Shabu users? Youth? Ilan ang youth doon? Anong studies niya? Ilan ang youth? Ilan ang drivers? Ilan ang mga workers? Ilan ang mga society boys and society girls?
Sir, the profile of a drug user is between...
I'm not asking for profiles. I'm asking for empirical data. Brute reality.
Well, we have 3.7 million drug
That's
users.
correct. I heard you say that. I'm sorry. I'm just we'll have timing. I'm sorry. I'm not disrespecting you, no? I just want to know, ilan doon ang talagang apektado, yung mga bata? Sa eskwela ba yan? Ilan sa eskwela ang apektado? Because kung sa eskwela may problema, then we address the solution to the eskwela. Do we address it to the PTA? Do we ask the PTA or ang tawag na ngayon doon? 1950s pa kasi yung PTA ng bata ko eh. PTA pa rin, no? Okay, PTA. Kami ngayon, patay takot sa asawa na ngayon. Alam ni General Bato. Yung bang ina-address ba ninyo? Nakita ko dito, meron pa, kasama pa kami sa Red Cross dyan. Ina-address ba natin yung PTA para yung parents, they know? Isang question lang, do you know what your child is doing right now? Do you have a campaign like that? Because I'm going to propose it right now. Do you know what your child is doing right now? Yung mga nag-party. Sabi kanina, may 11 years old, namatay, 5. Do you know what your children are doing right now? Because to me, we cannot escape accountability by the police. Sisisihin ko kayo, sisisihin ko NBI, sisisihin ko ang justice, sisisihin ko yung mga piskal. But the number one problem is accountability goes back to the family, then to the school, then to the community, then to the churches. And then, kung nasa bilibid yung nagda-drugs, ang drug lord doon, may mga TV, may mga jacuzzi, may baril, may babae. Then, ano ang ginagawa ng bilibid? Hindi ba pwedeng isara yung pinto ng bilibid para hindi ba kakapasok? Hindi ba natin pwedeng higpitan yung Manila International Airport, yung Cebu International Airport, nahigpitan yan at pag may nahuli, talagang upakan talaga yung mga yun. Di ba? Hindi ko sila simpatay, na upakan lang. Tama ba yun? To me, we're going to create another agency here. Bibigyan pa natin ng rason yung mga tao na PhilHealth, bibigyan ko ng PhilHealth, ang daming diabetic. Na hindi mabigyan ng dialysis support. Ang daming may cancer. Sasabihin nyo pa ngayon sa mga bata, o mag-drugs kayo, may PhilHealth kayo mamaya. Kaming bala sa inyo. I didn't hear you say anything about that. Takot ba kayo sa mga senador? Hindi naman siguro. You're here to tell us the truth. If you think that this is going to be redundant, you have the right to say that. That's why you're here. If you think we're going to give PhilHealth, will putting PhilHealth here encourage more or decrease? That's my question. I'm sorry, I'm very passionate. Hindi ako galit. Ano lang ako.
Pagpatuloy pa rin ang pagdinig sa Senado ng kaugnay pa rin po sa kampanya ng Administrasyong Duterte kontra droga. At ngayon ay nagtatanong naman po si Senator Dick Gordon at una niyang naitanong itong kumbaga simpleng tanong, ano?
Yun
Pero
nga. Ang
naging
sinasabing-
controversial din,
sinasabing
partner.
elephant in the room.
Yes,
Saan ba
oo,
talaga
sinabi
galing
niya.
ang droga?
Oo, saan ba talaga galing ang droga, no? To which si PNP chief naman ay sumagot na karamihan sa China at ang kanyang naging controversial ngayon na pahayag shame China din, 'di ba? Dahil bukod sa sinasabi niya, they're claiming our land. Yan yung sinabi niya. Ngayon, there are suppliers from for the drugs, no? So parang ang inaano niya nga ay minumukahi niya na sana tulungan tayo ng United Nations, ano? Ukol pa rin dito sa pagsugpo ng droga. At marami pa rin po syempre mga lalabas pa na iba pang mga detalye ukol pa rin po dito sa pagdinig pa rin sa Senado, kaunay pa rin po sa kampanya ng Administrasyong Duterte laban sa droga.